carrying the remains of the former State Minister for Defense Peter Otai landed at Entebbe International Airport at about 2 p.m. The body was received at the airport by the State Minister for Disaster and Preparedness, Musa Echweru, relatives and officials from Uganda People's Congress, UPC.
On behalf of the government and relatives and friends of the late Peter Otai, you must have seen I am with the President of the Uganda People's Congress, Honorable Akena. I'm with the Minister of State for Public Service. I'm with the leaders who served together with the late Peter Otai in the 80s. They served this country. Peter Otai has been living in exile in the United Kingdom. Unfortunately, he passed away recently, but we are happy that the family, working with the government of Uganda, have been able to make it possible for the remains of our late leader to come back so that he will be laid to rest on the 1st in Soroti. So all of us, government, the relatives, and his colleagues are going to give Peter Otai a befitting burial on the 1st of February this year in Soroto Derai. Basically, that's what we have come to do here.
Will it be a state burial?
It's an official burial. It's an official burial.
Mr. Echweru says government has offered Peter Otai an official burial.
So all of us, government, the relatives, and his colleagues are going to give Peter Otai a befitting burial on the 1st of February this year in Soroto Derai. Basically, that's what we have come to do here.
Will it be a state burial?
It's an official burial. It's an official burial.
The President of Uganda People's Congress, UPC, applauded the government for offering an official burial for Peter Otai.
Served this nation in the capacity as in the second UPC government as Minister of State for Defense. He took over that office at a trying time, at a time where we're coming out of the war of 79, 78, 79, and he served this party diligently. He has been out of the country since 1985, and we recognize and accept the gesture of giving him an official burial, and we're grateful for that. So we're here together to ensure that Peter Otai gets a befitting burial, which will take place at his home in Oderai on the 1st, that is on Saturday.
Peter Otai was State Minister for Defense during Obote II government in 1980s. When President Museveni's NRA government took over power in 1986, Peter Otai formed a rebel group codenamed the Uganda People's Army that was defeated by the regime forces, seeing him flee into exile in the United Kingdom. He died this year on 1st January and will be buried on Saturday in Soroti district.
Inward, turn!
I am Philip Aguta.